Hi, I'm Louisa Shafia on ehow.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple raw dessert. It's carob pudding. Now before you complain about carob, let me stop you. Carob has a wonderful taste. People compare it to chocolate, but it's really something very different. Now, carob is a powder that's made out of the dried seeds of the tropical pod carob. It has no caffeine, it's low in fat, and it has a really high natural sugar content. So it's a really great flavor. And yes, it does taste somewhat like chocolate, but it shouldn't be compared exactly because it really is different. Now, in this pudding, carob tastes wonderful. I guarantee you, if you make this pudding, you will not be able to take just one bite. It is truly addictive, and it's really simple to make. So here we go. I put 2 very ripe avocados in my food processor. It's important to start with ripe avocados so they make a nice creamy pudding when you puree everything together. I'm going to flavor my avocado with some carob powder, and I'm going to be generous with this. I'm putting in about 6 tablespoons. Now at the end, when you taste this, you may decide that you want a little bit more, but I'm going to start with 6 tablespoons. Now I'm going to brighten the taste of my pudding with some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm starting with 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, but I have extra in case I want to add more. I'm adding some maple syrup. I have about ½ a cup here. Now you could also use honey, but I really love the flavor of maple syrup combined with carob and avocados. I'm going to add a dash of salt. That's to really set off the sweetness and the flavor that's in here. It's really not to make it salty, it's just to brighten the flavor. Now I'm simply going to puree everything that's in here. Okay, this looks nice and smooth. It looks really chocolatey, even though it's not chocolate. I'm going to serve it in a pretty parfait glass. See how nice and rich and thick this pudding is? And that's just from the avocado and the carob powder. This looks so good. I'm going to top this off with some fresh raspberries. These look so pretty. You could top these off with any fresh fruit that you have around. I love raspberries because they have such a gorgeous color. And there you go. That's a great summer dessert that requires no cooking. Thanks for joining me. I'm Louisa Shafia. See you next time on ehow.com.